FPVs here, and today we're gonna try three great cameras that we have in the market of the FPV. We have a resolution, we have a white balance, and we have also the difference between the shadows and the bright lights. Now what we're gonna check is the Runcam Eagle2 Pro. We're gonna check the Foxeer Monster Mini Pro, and we're gonna check the Foxeer Predator Micro. Now all those three cameras are great, are wonderful, and I just installed them to try it, and today we're gonna try it, and we're gonna do it with the LCD that we have over here, and we're gonna camera it, and we're gonna show you everything. So the first camera that we're gonna see over here is the Runcam Eagle2 Pro. This camera has great compensation between the shadows and the lights. This camera can see almost everything in a second, as you can see, between the shadow and the brightness. It took about 0.4 seconds to see the difference. Now we're gonna change the Foxeer Monster 2 Mini, Foxeer Mini Monster 2. Now this is 1.8, great. Now the Foxeer Monster, as you can see, it's very smooth, very it has more resolution than both cameras over here, but it's quite smooth. As you can see, the difference between the brightness and the shadows are really good. And now we're gonna see the new camera, the Foxeer Micro Predator. This is it. Okay, now as you can see, I think you can see in this screen that the resolution of this camera, I don't know if it's the resolution or the sharpness of each and every pixel. It is a great camera. It's 4x3 comparing to the other cameras, but you can see still it's quite clear, and you can see it's very nice, crispy image. Now I want to show you also the brightness. Oh my god, it didn't took even a second. It's like, oh my god, look at that. No, it's crazy. Focus is amazing, white balance is amazing. Oh my god, the dynamic range of this camera is the winner. Look at this, it didn't took even 0.1 second. It's just clear all the time. Oh my god, I think it's my new lovely camera, Foxeer Predator. Oh my god, the micro version is amazing. Guys, I think we have a winner between the Foxeer Micro Predator, the Runcam Eagle2 Pro, and the Foxeer Monster 2000 TVL Mini. And I think it's really easy to say that the Micro Predator of Foxeer is the winner. Enjoy!